Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. So friends, Accenture has released the result for the selected candidates. So many of you were asking, sir, when will be the Accenture result out? So friends, now Accenture has released the result and I am going to show you one of the offer letter and what will be the package offered by Accenture. So friends, watch the video till the end, and if you want to get selected in Accenture and if you have a dream of getting into Accenture, then this video is must for you. I will tell you how to do the preparation for the Accenture examination. Okay, so friends, name to Pratik Kumar, suppose. Okay, important information: post your clearance of the interview process during the campus visit. Okay, so friends, this is the result after the interview process. Okay, dear, this confirms you have cleared the initial interview process. Your journey for getting an offer of employment from Accenture has just begun. So friends, this is letter of intent. Please go through this communication to acquaint yourself of the various actions that your candidature will go through before a release of offer of employment by Accenture. Document verification and check. So post accepting this offer of letter of intent, you will have to submit certain documents. The offer release will be contingent upon successful verification of your document that will be submitted by you. Once you receive the offer, we would like to accept the offer within 7 days from the day you receive the offer letter. Okay, so many of them will say, sir, I checked the mail after 7 days. So friends, please check your inbox, your spam folder, because the Accenture has released the result now. At all stages of the hiring process, you are expected to declare all facts honestly and act with utmost integrity while applying for any opportunity. In case of any misrepresentation of information facts in your candidate registration process or at any stage of hiring process, this letter of intent or any subsequent offer issued to you shall stand revoked. Okay, so if you are giving any misleading information, then the offer will be revoked. Information on Accenture pre-joining learning module. As part of providing our new joiners a unique learning experience, Accenture proposes a learning module, technology fundamentals online learning program. Okay, here in after program. Okay, we would like to share the details of this program in advance for your ease of information and familiarity with its conditions. The training module of the program is typically made available to potential new joiners at least 45 days before onboarding to give them a reasonable time to learn. Okay, under this program, the learning modules hosted on technology platform will prepare the potential new joiner. Now, what is the interesting things here, friends? Okay, so on successful completion of program and clearance of the technological assessment in his first attempt, along with the completion of the online program module, a potential new joiner will be eligible for a learning incentive of 10,000. So from here everything starts, right friends? So wherever money comes in picture, from there our eyes go and stuck there, right? Okay, so in case a potential new joiner fails in his first attempt, they will not be eligible for any kind of incentive. Okay, to clear assessment for the program, the new joiners are required to score minimum 60% marks in each assessment. Okay, now, so friends, this you can just go through that. Now the main thing which comes here is about your package. Okay, so career level 12, proposed role application development associate. So friends, Accenture is offering application development associate role. Annual fixed compensation for the physical will be 3,83,000 will be your package. It includes allowances and statutory benefits and will be structured in accordance with the company policy. So they are also giving a bonus, local variable bonus at your career level. The maximum annual target variable payout is estimated as inner 32500, 32,500. The payout that you receive will depend but not limited to your performance achievement and performance of advanced technology centers India in the current company physical year. Joining bonus, you are eligible to get a joining bonus of rupees 25,000 payable upon successful completion of initial training as per company process. Maximum annual target earning potential will be 4,40,500. Additional benefit, gratuity as per law plus insurance premium will be 9,500. Maximum annual total earning potential plus total additional benefit will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. So basically, you will be getting a total package of 4 lakhs 50,000. Okay, you may be required to relocate for project deployment to any part of India and work in 24 cross shift basis business requirements. Please note that the above is informative and exhaustive. Specific details will be in the offer letter. So friends, this is what is the breakup of your Accenture salary. Okay, so 4,50,000 will have this many breakups. Okay, friends, if you also want to get into companies like Accenture, Infosys, Capgemini, Wipro, then so live aptitude and reasoning classes are starting from 5th of June. The price is just 249 rupees. So as always, we keep the prices less. And what is the great thing about these courses is, friends, so there is two tests which we have included, and here you need to write the test. Okay, so friends, as you need to write the test, you can see there are many students has written the test. So once you write the test, after that, so those who have already bought it, so they have written the test. So you write the test before the course, and then you write the test after the course, and then you can see the difference in yourself, right? So you can see good day, Venkat Vargavi has topped this test. Okay, so you can also see your rank, okay, and how much time you have spent, and after the course also you can see how much marks you are scoring. So friends, after the classes, so definitely there will be a drastic change will be there. So the link will be given in description. Join the course and see the improvement, and you will be only able to find out how much improvement is there in you, right? So friends, this is a complete breakup, and please watch the complete video and subscribe, share with your friends so that you will be getting more and more benefit. Thank you.